Good Friday, people! It's baking time! Any guess what I'm gonna make? My standing mixer is back in action. Let's start with 5 cups of plain flour. I like my flour being sieved to remove lumps. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. By the way, I put in dry ingredients first. Half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup of sugar. Crack in 4 eggs. 3/4 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of concentrated orange juice. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Ready to mix into a dough. Honestly, this is the first time I use the dough hook attachment. Thanks for not dying on me, my dear mixer. We'll use you more, okay? Nice dough with clean bowl. Kinda stretchy dough. Let me knead it till smooth surface. Not easy while handling my camera on the other hand. Form the dough into a round shape after. Preheat the air fryer for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Roll out the dough so to cut with cookie cutter later. Very stretchy dough to roll out. Try to roll it thin as it will spring back later. Not a real cookie cutter, but something round in shape will do. Springing back already. Keep the leftover for later. Now ready for the sweet fillings. Oh my god, this strawberry jam is so sweet. Put the jam in the middle. Hold up the dough to form 3 corners and pinch hard on each corner. Leave the middle open with the jam visible. Making it for the first time so that explains the different sizes in the end. Pinch hard the corners to prevent jam explosion during baking. This is Hamantash, a Jewish triangular pastry for Purim. I followed a recipe from a Chinese lady married to a Jewish in Canada. Modified some ingredients based on what I can get. Bake for 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Trial and error continues. Time to reveal the end product. Pick the presentable ones even with jam explosion to show you all. Amateur home baker as always. Shall try again. Hope you enjoy my baking video. Goodbye.